Welcome, my name is Wanda Strickfaden. I'm with Improved Credit to talk to you today about getting your student loan debts completely forgiven. Yes, you heard right. I said completely forgiven. This is how it works. You do have to work for these industries in order to qualify. One of them is school teacher. The other is working for your local or state police department. And the other is working for a non-for-profit organization. So if you work with any of those industries, you qualify for a public loan servicing forgiveness program. What you're going to want to do is contact your local student department, ask them to email you an application for the public loan servicing forgiveness program. Once they email you the application, fill it out properly. Then you're going to want to fax it to them, have them review that information. Once they review it, which usually takes anywhere from 2 up to 4 weeks for review, but once they review it, call them back for a follow-up. Ask them if they were able to review it and approve it. Once it's approved, you're going to want to go ahead and then speak to your student loan provider about enrolling in a reduced monthly payment plan, especially if financially you cannot afford to make the payments that they're requiring. So if that's the case, once you get approved for a public service loan forgiveness program, you're going to also ask for the application to help reduce your payment, which is called the income-driven repayment plan. Once you fill that application out, you're going to want to send that by fax to your student loan provider for review, and within 2 to 4 weeks, you will have that reviewed and hopefully approved at an adjusted payment plan. So not only will you have your forgiveness program forgiven, which means that you will be able to qualify for a program that will allow you to enroll in a 10-year plan. So that means that your payments will be required from you for 10 years. But after the 10th year, you'll be able to get the rest of your balance completely forgiven. Imagine that. I know there are people out there that have more than $50,000 in student loan debt easy. But imagine being able to get that completely removed from your credit report after 10 years. It's a sigh of relief, isn't it? So you can do this. Contact your student loan provider now. Apply for the public service loan forgiveness program and also apply for the income-driven repayment plan so that you can not only get your complete debt forgiven after 10 years of payments, but also be able to afford the monthly installments.